What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Nexus here, currently up about 3% in USD value, sitting at $1.42. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, also up about 3.5%, sitting at 21,000 Satoshis. But really quick, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 273 billion. Today's volume is 11.4 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 42.6%. Bitcoin down almost 1% for the day, sitting at 6,800. Ethereum down almost 2, sitting at 486. Ripple down almost 3, sitting at 47. Bitcoin Cash down 3 as well, sitting at 749. ETH down 5, sitting at $8.57. Dang, nice. Steal out of steal. Steal out of steal. Lumen's down or up about 0.32, sitting at 21 cents. Cardano down 3, sitting at 14 cents. And IOTA down almost 5, sitting at $1.08. Big winners today, folks. DigiByte up about 16, sitting at 4.5 cents. Monaco up 10, sitting at $9.38. Ooh, I have to burp. Walton Chain up almost 7, sitting at 7.83. Paypex up 6, sitting at $1.46. And ARK almost 6 as well, sitting at $1.62. We also have Power Ledger up 4 and Nebula up 4. A few folks came here for some Nexus. Market cap is sitting at 82 million. Today's volume is 1.7 million. Circulating supply 58 million. Major exchanges here, folks, not many. Binance, Bittrex, Trade by Trade, and Up and Cryptopia looks like are the major exchanges. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily. Not much has changed, folks. Not much has changed. But just looking at some of my previous trades, I was a little frustrated with myself because I made a plan, I didn't stick to it, and now the trade is really in my favor. But I don't have an open trade for it because I let my emotions get to me. Oh well, it happens. But waiting for that daily break and close above 6,750. Once we break and close above 6,750 on the 4-hour, Bitcoin should be good to go, folks. Actually, you could even move it. Let's go ahead and adjust this. Play it safe. Play it safe. 6,765. Once we break and close above 6,765 on the 4-hour, Bitcoin should be good to go. As you can tell, we do have a minor support level here at 6,700. So expect a little bit of consolidation between these two zones. Sorry, I can barely speak in the morning. I can barely speak at all, actually. Ethereum to USD on the daily, still in this aggressive downtrend. We did break out of it, find support here at about 460, 455. Since then, we've been slowly heading towards the upside. Did we finally get that break and close above 480? We did finally get that break and close, folks, above 480, so that does activate our trade. Next move for Ethereum is up to about 540, 550. But remember, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. Litecoin in this nice little descending wedge on the daily. Zooming into some more recent price action, we see Litecoin does have support here at about $80. Switching it over to the 4-hour. Looks like we did find support, as you could tell here, at about $81. Are we going to be setting a higher high here? Who knows? Does look like we had a nice little channel we did recently break out of, however. Come back, and it broke out of it, came back down to test for support. So I'm expecting Litecoin to make a push towards the upside. So who knows? You know, actually, if we get that break and close, folks, above $83.50, I'm taking a buy on Litecoin. I think it's going to start moving. Momentum looks like it's starting to pinch and head towards the upside, but just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Few folks came here for some Nexus to BTC. We're looking at the weekly here, folks. Bittrex is the broker trading through the platform. Huge uptrend we just currently tested. Bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3 on the weekly. Let me go ahead and zoom out, kind of just show you the bigger picture of what we're looking at. This is the chart I'm looking at. So bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3. Then if we zoom in on our weekly here, momentum has bottomed out. Looks like we're slowly starting to head towards the upside. Not this week, but last week we came up as high as about 23,000 Satoshis. So and then since then we actually retraced back down to about 20,000, and we were left with a nice little wick here. So what does that mean? Well, that means maybe this week or maybe next week we'll be seeing this wick get filled. So at the bare minimum, we're currently sitting at 21,000 Satoshis. You can expect Nexus to go from 21,000 up to 23,000 within the next 2 weeks. And that's just simple technical analysis, just trading over the years and just studying wicks and how candles are formed and stuff like that. But major zone here, folks, expecting Nexus to actually consolidate. Once we break and close above this level or below this level, this indicates the next direction for us. However, I am leaning towards a break and close above 22,000 Satoshis here. As I said earlier, it did leave us with a nice little wick here, so I'm expecting this wick to get filled. Wait for that daily break and close above 22,000 Satoshis on the daily. Once we break and close above 22,000 Satoshis on the daily, Nexus should be good to go. But where do I see this coin going in 2018? Nexus is definitely one of my favorite coins. I love Nexus. I love Litecoin. I love Ripple too. I get a lot of criticism for that one. I love ARK, Steam. First target here, folks, for Nexus is about 101,000 Satoshis. Don't expect this to be hit until the end of 2018. Second target here, 150,000 Satoshis. Don't expect this one to be hit until 2 to 3 months into 2019. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.